welcome back to my channel. Thank you for joining me back again. These are my daily uploads for a week in my hair, and myself and Coco are back here today. Thank you so much to my online friends. Can't even do it because I've got my other hand. My online friends. Thank you for all your support and your comments. I really appreciate it. Thank you for watching my videos. Okay. Coco, so I'm gonna put you down. Now, if you've just come across my channel, you would not have watched the videos before. So if you haven't watched the videos before, you wanna click here. I'm doing a week of my hair as a requested video, but as daily uploads. We're just showing you how I care for my hair, especially during the winter season, because that's my most problematic season. And we all want the hair on our head to be retained. That's the introduction over and done with. Let us get on. Okay, so today is day whatever, but it's Sunday morning, and typically my hair is freshly washed either last night or on a Sunday morning, and it's looking mighty fine, okay? Yesterday I decided I wasn't gonna do anything to my hair, and my hair seemed like it was all right-ish, and I thought I'm not gonna wash it. For those of you who watched, as you saw, my hair looked like it was okay, so I was just gonna put it in a little bit of, you know, and woke up this morning and I sweated quite a bit. And as you can see, my hair's very, very stiff. So my hair's very stiff. So my hair's very stiff. Look at it. Let's study this, okay? And then we can see what I'm gonna look like for church. And I haven't got much time either. We've got to get ready. I don't have time on Sunday mornings to be faffing around with my hair, but I think all that, oh goodness, and mercy shall follow me all the days of my life. Look at my hair. Oh dear. Right, so what do you do when your hair looks dry, but it's not actually dry? It's not actually dry. Am I making more of an issue than it is? Let me do what I normally do, which is just take it out of its pineapple, give it a good shake, which is what I normally do. Just kind of let it come down. Let's see. No, it's very humid outside. Very humid. And I really don't think my hair's gonna survive. I think it's just gonna be one big massive frizz ball. I mean, it's already, oh, it's kind of defined. Let's see. It's not, it's moisturized. I can actually feel my hair is moisturized, but I'm gonna be in a building where radiators would definitely be on, so I've got a feeling my hair's gonna react to that. My hair's not gonna look like this. It's gonna look more frizzy. It's either I put it back in a bun, or I leave it out and go afro frizzy today. Yeah, we're just gonna put this back so that I'm not late for church, and everybody can focus not on the crazy hair and they can focus on God. Let me just add some more moisture to my hair and put my hair up in a bun, tuck the ends away, okay? So that's what we're gonna do, okay? Okay, all right, so I've had to come upstairs because everything's here. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna reignite the jelly with some water. This is cold water. So here we go. Just gonna hydrate my hair. Right, I'm not getting it completely drenched. And along the hairline where I put gel on before, just gonna reignite the gel that's already put on. Okay, here we go. That's rehydrated the coast. Now I'm gonna put some leave-in conditioner. This is by Amaré-Me. About that much for the whole of my hair. Just some further moisture. Just put it through my hair because of how the radiators and the dry air is reacting to my hair. I do feel like my ends are snagging when I'm brushing or even detangling with my fingers. So I believe it's time for a trim. All right, so we're going to be using the curl defining jelly. Lovely gloopy stuff. It feels really thin and light to the touch, but this stuff is going to define the curl. It's really going to hold your hair down. I say little is all you need. It goes a long way. So I'm just running it all over the hair. It's 100% natural, this jelly. And I'll leave the details in the description bar for you. All right, just in case you want to have a look at the ingredients. Okay, right, so I'm using my Demon brush. Oh, look at the time. I better get going. So I'm going to just be very simple today. Just gonna slick it back And then you can see how well the gel is on my texture hair. How well it holds, how well it slicks back. Like it's really laying the edges, isn't it? Less than flat. Pussyman do submission. All right, so let me get my thin edges that don't seem to be becoming thick anytime soon. All right, so as you can see, not only is it giving me shine, giving me softness, and it's giving me hold. All right, so that is done. That's nice and slick. That didn't take too long. Because I have low density hair, if I just use a brush like this, it's gonna show up, the lines will show. So we want to try and, you know, disguise, don't let people know you have thin hair, okay? So I like to use a brush like this. It's very soft. The bristles aren't as hard as they look, they're quite soft. It's just one of these beard brushes that I thought, I'm gonna try that. So this is all I'm doing. I'm just gently, oh, I'm in a rush. Oh, I'm being so ever so gentle with my edges because they are thin, okay? They are very thin. Okay, I'm happy with that. Look at the shine. Woo! Baby! The shine on that's lovely. All right, and so I'm gonna get my satin scrunchie. Just going to hopefully that looks nice. Here we go. That's what it looks like on the side and on this side. As for this little part, I can feel it sticking out. There's still some ends here that need to be put in. So all I do is with that, just bring them underneath and tuck them away. Just fold them out. Just get them away. That will do, my dear. I'm not into the edges. I don't think it's appropriate for my age, but anyway, this will do for church, for me. This will do for every day. Look, thank you very much. Now, I can praise the Lord looking like a civilized lady, okay? Okay, so this is what I decided to do right now. I think it's a safe bet. So I'll be washing my hair tomorrow, or I may just trim it. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how it's going to happen, but I'll see you again tomorrow. So please stay tuned to see how I'm handling my hair on a typical week in my hair. I hope in some ways these videos are helping you, because I don't typically have my hair in one style for too long, just because I don't want my hair to tangle up on itself, and I usually get a lot of breakage if I keep my hair in protective styles for too long. Don't forget to give me a like, it really helps me. Share the video if you feel that it will help somebody else. I really appreciate you watching my videos. I will look forward to seeing you again tomorrow. God bless you and take care of yourself. Bye.